What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix app is no longer available in iOS 11, 12, 13 and iOS 14. In one of the previous videos I showed you how to install AppSync tweak, but many of you have a problem, which is that when you open the app it doesn't work or you get app is no longer available. Alright, as you see here I have this app and now I will open the app. As you see, app is no longer available. If you have installed AppSync tweak and have app is no longer available problem, then in this video I will show you how to fix it easily. Okay, first go and open Cydia. Now go to the sources here and make sure that you have the BigBoss source. This is a default source, but in case you don't have it, just add it. Now go to the search here. Now here search for this tweak, AntiProfileRevoke. As you see, this is the tweak. Now open it. This tweak supports iOS 11 up to iOS 14. Make sure guys to install it from the BigBoss source. This tweak is completely free. Now go ahead and install the tweak. Click install, install, confirm, confirm. Now respring your device. Now after installing AntiProfileRevoke tweak, you will not find any settings or any new icon on your device. Now just go ahead and open any app and it will work without any problem. Alright, I will open the app again. Boom, as you see guys, the app now works without any problem. As you see, everything works successfully. No more app is no longer available. Alright, I will close the app and I will open it again. As you see, the app works without any problem. This is how to fix app is no longer available in iOS 11, 12, 13 and iOS 14. Alright guys, if you didn't find the tweak in the BigBoss source, you can find the tweak in my source. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.